Gracious gang, it's Mike. I got a thing, so let's check this out. Haven't done an unboxing in a while. I'm pretty excited about this for quite some time. I forgot it was coming because it was a pre-order. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick, all right? Okay, so, oh my gosh, look at this thing. Lord of the Rings, illustrated by the author himself, okay? We've got, and here's a cool thing. Look at the lettering, the Elvish lettering. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this thing. So I saw this a couple months ago, open it up here, on Amazon. They had a deal going, I forget what the full price is on this thing. I think it's, I want to say around 80 bucks or so. And I got a discount of 45 for like the early order. Get rid of that there. Oh man. Oh, this is so cool. So this is all three Lord of the Rings novels. Like, so the whole Fellowship of the Ring, The Two Towers, and The Return of the King in a single volume. And there's lots of these out there. But this is a brand new one that, oh, what's the name of the, I'm forgetting the name of the publisher now. Give me a moment. Oh, for goodness sake. Houghton Mifflin Harcourt, right? So HMH, I couldn't remember, it's on the spine there. But this is, it just came out today, and so it was waiting on my doorstep when I got home. And again, look at that Elvish there, if you can kind of see that. It's pretty cool, the lettering on the spine. Well, not on that side, but just in this part here. It's got, so if you take the dust jacket off here, it's cool, the eye, there's the eye of Sauron is on the actual cover there. Spine looks pretty cool just as is, if you can kind of see that. But, look at that, little hole in there, that's kind of cool. So let me put that back on. This is so cool. And, so yeah, oh, $75 is the retail price. And it looks like it's got the maps here. What do we got in the back? Ooh, oh my goodness. That's cool. So a detailed map of Mordor here in color. So black, white, and it's got red on it, which is pretty cool. So that's in the back. What do we have up front? There's something in the front too. Okay. I'm guessing maybe an overall Middle-earth map, or maybe the Shire? The overall one, okay. Oh yeah, that is so cool. The west of Middle-earth at the end of the Third Age, drawn by C.R. Tolkien for Unfinished Tales. So his son Christopher Tolkien, who was his editor, his collaborator for many years, who himself just passed away a couple years ago at the time of this recording, had done these maps. So that's that classic Middle-earth map that many people are familiar with. Those, I think I'm getting framed, because those are nice, quite frankly, and I'll find a place for them in here, in the studio. So, oh wow, that's just nice. And I just love it, like, it's very high quality, so here you go, here you are, just a little sampling of kind of, you know, the page weight is pretty nice, it's pretty substantial, you know, it feels hefty. I like the red, and it's really kind of cool. So the chapter titles, the page numbers, the book title on the top and everything, all the margin data is basically in red. You have the main text. It lays flat, nice and easy, as you would expect, because it is pretty hefty. It's got all the charts and everything in the back, all the appendices that you find in various versions of this. But man, I love it. The white tree and the stars, right there. So that's a nice little illustration, and wow, I just can't wait to dig into this. This is going in my collection up there, my sort of Lewis and Tolkien. Well, I have my C.S. Lewis collected sort of apologetic works hardcover, which was a really nice volume as well. So anywho, oh yeah, look at this. Hold on. Ooh yeah. Got a ribbon and everything, man. There is a ribbon. Cool. Well, anyway, I just wanted to jump on here today. Unboxing videos are the thing, right? So, haven't done one since last year, October 2020, when I unboxed Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber hilt. Go ahead and check that out. I've shared a link here to that in this video, since people enjoy these things. But anyway, God bless you guys. Don't forget to wonder. Take care.